我本来是要问你出来，因为我要问你一个问题，因为我很爱 Angela。哦，不要问他。Well, they all finally came in. All the letters. I just gotta paint you and me red. Got this ready to go. Yeah, no question mark though. It's just you and me that we need to do.
Ew, looks pretty dope. Excited?
Yeah, man. Getting the butterflies.
Getting real.
Gonna go to the park early this morning. Check out what the lighting's gonna be like at about 9 a.m. I've already picked out a spot, but just want to see what it looks like at the time. I think it's gonna happen. I'm at the spot. It's like 9 a.m. right now. Looks like the sun would be perfect at this time, from between 9 and 10. So there's a spot right here. There's already a couple there, pretty much exactly where I want us to be. So be a good point of reference. Hopefully the lighting will be the same.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city light. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand.
Well, I've known since very early on that you're the one for me, and the more I got to know you, the more I fell in love with you, and I've been waiting to do this for a long time, but take a look over there. I'm sure you saw it already, but Angela.
Her feelings.
What are you wearing? You want to take it out? I got you.
I hurt feelings.
I know you do. Woo! Well, I tried to get the mic working, but it didn't work.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.